Welcome back. Health Department has confirmed that the death of Shivamurthy in Manipal Hospital was not due to swine flu. The results of his swab samples have come negative. Murthy's death on Saturday morning was suspected as swine flu death.
Shivamurthy had arrived from Bangalore. On Friday night, he complained of respiration problems when he was admitted in Manipal Hospital. He was kept on ventilators. His swab samples were taken and sent for testing. But before the report of swab samples could come, Murthy died on Saturday morning. His death created doubts in the minds of many people. Now, on Monday, the health department of the state has confirmed that he did not die due to the swine flu.
Because the patient was previously admitted on 2 occasions at Bangalore, and he was suffering from diabetes and hypertension. But still, because he went into acute respiratory distress and he was put on ventilator, we wanted to remove that fear in the mind of people, because this death would have caused a panic in Goa. So we didn't want to have that, and we wanted to prove that we wanted to know the cause of the death, and because of that we have sent the sample to Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. We got the result yesterday night at 9, and it has come negative.
When asked whether health department would send other swab samples to Manipal Kasturba Medical College, Director Rajananda Desai had this reply.
We need to decide about that, because we have not spoken to the authorities of Kasturba Medical College. We have to decide about that, whether we will be sending the samples to Kasturba Manipal or Bangalore, because sending the samples through air, it is convenient. It reaches in time, and we don't have to send any person accompanying that sample. And besides that, Kasturba Medical College is a private medical college, so charging, costing, all those problems are there. We have to sort it out.
Dr. Rajananda Desai informed that health department is expecting more 50 swab sample reports.
Till today, we have sent 115 samples, and we have received 65 reports. 50 are awaited, and out of that 19 are positive. We are not sure when we will be getting these reports of the remaining, but in any case, as the guidelines have been relaxed, for category A and B we will not be sending the samples.
Okay. What is the total suspect cases?
Total suspect cases is 168 as on today, and we are treating the contacts. That the total number accumulative figure is 307.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Shiva Sena in Goa has come to the rescue of people of Kurcherem. Shiva Sena workers provided oil and jaggery at concessional rate.
Shiv Sena workers on Saturday distributed essential commodities to the people for lesser price. After the price rise in this festive season, Shiv Sena decided to give the people respite from this price rise. People of Kurcherem were pleased over this decision by the Shiv Sena. Deputy Chief of Shiv Sena in Goa, Namdev Naik, informed us more.
आम्ही आज गुरजड्यार शिवसेनेतर्फे एक स्वस्त दरान तेल गोड अशी गोष्टी विकपाचे एक ल्हानशे एक प्रयोग म्हणून आम्ही एक आज चालू केला. बागायतदारांना पळोवपाक गेल्यार आज 45 रुपये लिटर तेल आसा रुची गोल्ड, आणि 36 रुपये गोडाचं ढेप 1 किलोची जी ढेप आसा ती 36 रुपये आहा. महागाई आज दिसान दीस वाडत आसा, आणि सरकार हाजे कांय खबरदारी घेना आणि कांय प्रयत्न करना महागाई रिड्यूस करपाक. तेन्ना शिवसेनेन एक प्रयोग म्हणून हो आज कुडचड्यार प्रयत्न चालू केल्यात, आणि आमी 40 रुपयांनी तेल लिटर विकतात आणि 30 रुपयांनी गोड 1 किलोची जी ढेप आसा ती 30 रुपयांनी विकतात. लोकांची आता आमकां लोकां कडच्यान बरो हांगा प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो आसा.
A reporter in Kurcherem, Mayur Naik.
Lieutenant Commandant and pilot Saurav Saxena lost his life on Friday. This was the 4th Sea Harrier accident in Goa in last 4 years. Final rites of Lieutenant Commandant were performed on Sunday.
On Friday, a Sea Harrier aircraft on its routine exercise mission crashed in Arabian Sea. Pilot Lieutenant Commandant Saurav Saxena lost his life in the accident. Later in the evening on Friday, the body of Saurav Saxena and debris of the aircraft was recovered.
Vande
Naval officers and his family members were present for the final rites. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Let's take a short break. We will be right back.